Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we start 7-line system. 7-line system is basically to learn Braille. Anyone can learn Braille hardly in an hour or so. It's not very difficult. People think that Braille is a very difficult form. That is not the case. Believe me, you just focus on 1 hour properly and you would learn this wonderful skill. Braille is the language of blind people. They use it for reading and writing. So Braille is not difficult. People take it difficult. Otherwise it is very, very simple. I have told you, in 1 hour anyone can learn Braille. And how can you learn? You can learn Braille with the help of 7-line system. With the 7-line system. So before starting 7-line system, one thing you should be clear, that when we put a paper in a slate, in each cell we have 6 dots. We have 6 dots. So on our right it is 1, 2, 3. On left 4, 5, 6. So now, for example, but when I take a paper and I read from here, so the 1, 2, 3 which was on my right, it becomes on my left. So for all the languages, no matter they are Spanish, Arabic, any language, English, we start from right to left in Braille. From right to left while writing. But when we read it from left to right. Clear?
Yeah.
So it's very simple. Don't get worried. So we start Braille. So first 7-line system is a French system basically, designed to teach Braille. 7-line system is easy to learn, and one needs to only memorize the first line. One needs to memorize only first line, otherwise rest is just technical details. So just by memorizing first line, you can learn the whole 7-line system easily. Clear?
Yes.
So now we start. So first line in 7-line system is alphabet from A to J. A to J. So A is 1. So in these 6 dots, what I will do, I will go at the top corner of the right side and press this. This is called stylus. So I would use this stylus and press a dot. It is 1. So it is called A. It is called A. Then I will leave a cell blank. It means a space. Then in the third cell I will write 1 and 2. So it is B. It is B. Then I would leave a cell blank and go to cell number 5. Blank cell means space. Then I would write letter C, which has the combination of 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Just focus here.
Yes.
1 and 4. Okay. Now I would leave a blank cell. In the 7th cell, I would write D. The number of the D is 1, 4, 5. Then I would leave a cell blank and write E. 1 and 5. Okay. Then I would leave a blank cell and write F. What is the number of F?
1 to 4.
1, 2, 4. Okay. Then I would leave a cell blank and leave blank cell means space. So I would write G. What is the number of G?
1, 2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 4, 5. So I have written 1, 2, 4, 5. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Then I would leave a cell blank and I would write H. What is the number of H? 1, 2, 5. Okay. Keep your stylus straight so you can write better. Okay. I would leave a cell blank And now I would write I. What is the number of I?
2, 4.
2, 4. It is I. Okay. I would leave a cell blank, means a space, and then I would write J. What is the number of J?
2, 4, 5.
2, 4, 5. 2, 4, and 5. So now I show it to you. So this is A, it has 1, B is 1, 2, C is 1, 4, D is 1, 4, 5, E is 1, 5, F is 1, 2, 4, G, wait, it's a bit wrong, wait, yeah, wait a minute, yes, G is 1, 2, 4, 5, H is 1, 2, 5, I is 2, 4, and J is 2, 4, 5. Okay, now repeat with me the numbers. A,
1,
B,
1, 2,
C,
1, 4,
D,
1, 4, 5,
E,
1, 5,
F,
1, 2, 5, 4,
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4,
Yes. G,
1, 2, 4, 5,
1, 2,
4, 5,
4, 5. H,
1, 2, 5,
I,
2, 4,
2, 4.
2, 4,
I is 2, 4.
2, 4,
J,
2, 4, 5.
2, 4, 5.
2, 4, 5. Okay. So now I just see on the pins I have set this paper again, right?
Mhm.
So what is the advantage? Now I know I need to write in the second line. Okay. So I leave the second line even. I would now use third line. Okay. So now first line we have already learned, which is from A to G. Now we are going to line number 2, which is called, we call it dot 3 line. We call it
Dot 3 line.
dot 3 line. We call it
Dot 3 line.
dot 3 line. In dot 3 line means that from A to J, what we will do, we will just put dot 3 and we will get next 10 letters. We will get next 10 letters. For example, what was the number of A? 1. If I put 1 after 1, 3 as well.
3 as well, yes.
At the
Okay.
bottom right, at the bottom
Right.
right, it would become K.
K.
Now I am leaving a blank cell. In the third cell, I would write B. What is the number of B?
1, 2.
And if I put dot 3 here, what number would it become?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
So it is
L.
L.
Letter L.
Okay, now we are going for C. C is, what is the number of?
1, 4.
1, 4. If I add dot 3 here, it would become, which number would it become?
1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4. And which letter is it?
Mm.
M. Now we are writing D. 1, 4, 5. If I put dot 3 here, which letter would it become?
1, 3, 4, 5.
1, 3, 4, 5. That number would be 1, 3, 4, 5. And that letter is
N.
N. Good. Excellent. Bravo. Now we are moving to E. But which number of E has?
1, 5.
1, 5.
Mm.
If I put dot 3 here, which number would it become?
1, 3, 5.
1, 3, 5.
Mhm.
And which letter would it become?
O.
O. So the O has which number?
1, 3, 5.
Now we are going to letter F. What is the number of F?
What?
1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4.
Mhm.
If I put dot 3 here, so which which number it would become?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. And which letter?
Letter P.
Letter P. So what is the number of P?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh wow, excellent. Now I'm leaving a blank cell. Now we are moving to next G.
G.
What is the number of G?
1, 2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 4, 5.
5.
So if I put dot 3 here, which number would it become?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
4, 5. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Which letter would it become?
Q.
Q. The unique letter of alphabet.
Yes.